Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to mirror your Android phone to your Singer Smart TV. It's super easy. So let's get started. First, grab your Singer Smart TV remote, go to the App Store on your TV, and download an app called Kinlink. This is the app we'll be using to connect. Once the app is installed, open it up on your TV. You'll see it waiting to connect to your phone. Now, take your Android phone, scroll down the notification panel, and look for Smart View. Tap on it, select your Singer Smart TV, and then hit Start Now. And that's it. Your phone screen is now mirrored to your Singer Smart TV. You can watch videos, play games, or show photos directly on the big screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy screen mirroring.